In this video, I will show you how to add the network speed indicator to the Windows 11 taskbar. Open any browser. Search Traffic Monitor GitHub. Click on the GitHub second website. Click on the latest version, 1.86. Scroll down. Now you need to download the file according to the bit of your PC laptop. If you don't know, right-click on the Start menu. Select and download the file. Right-click on the file. Then, click Extract All. Select trafficmonitor.exe. Right-click and click Run as administrator. Click More Info. Click Run Anyway. Right-click. Click Show Taskbar Windows. Now you will see the network speed indicator on your taskbar. Click to show main windows. Again, if you want to remove the network speed indicator, right-click, and click Exit.